Opposition politician and lawyer Mahere has launched a sharp attack on Finance and Economic Development Minister Mthuli Ncube, dismissing government claims that Zimbabwe's economy is growing, accusing authorities of pursuing policies that have worsened poverty and inequality. Sarabina Mashugobda Pangwa Chinzi Mahere slams Ncube, questions government claims of economic growth. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina Pangwa Ine, in a public statement addressed the minister, Mahere said official narratives of economic progress were disconnected from the lived realities of ordinary Zimbabweans, citing low public sector wages, rising poverty levels, and a high cost of living. Mahere pointed to the salaries of key professionals, saying teachers earn about $270 per month, which she described as insufficient to cover basic expenses such as school and examination fees for their children. She added that junior doctors earn around $329, an amount she noted is less than half the cost of a single MRI scan. She also questioned how government could claim success when, according to the available data, about 63% of Zimbabweans cannot afford a balanced diet. Mahere highlighted what she termed a deepening food poverty crisis, adding that nearly half of the population lives in extreme poverty. Do you know that 49% of Zimbabweans live in extreme poverty, and that in the rural areas the figure is even higher, in approximately 51%? Mahere asked, challenging the minister's awareness of conditions outside macroeconomic indicators. Mahere further criticized the rising prices and tax increases, arguing that the cost of living has become unaffordable for millions of citizens. She questioned the rationale behind continued tax hikes at a time when households are struggling to survive. On public finances, she raised concern over the Zimbabwe's debt, which she said currently stands at about 23.4 billion and continues to grow. She also accused government policies of contributing to the collapse of the formal sector, noting that an estimated 87% of Zimbabweans now ndomashuvano buda nyogopangwa ino naMahere achiuya achinyora aiwa mukomana Mthuli Ncube. Pina comment section medu dzafunguro iyi moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pina comment section medu subscribe or like chitondo on the bell icon.